Alright, good night, Gally.
Everybody wave your hands in the air and say, wee-oo.
Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Show me your pretty nails. Ooh.
You paused it, babe. There you go.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way you make.
Weezy hungry?
You're the stinky boy, and you're the fat girl.
Can you look at me? Very handsome.
Just like rub right here. Try it. Yeah. See?
Are you mad at me? Okay.
Dude, why do you have your Odyssey out?
At 11, and then she proceeded to spill her coffee on me. It got on my pants, it got all over